You want to know what's amazing? This bag right here. This Pearstone Onyx 1030 can hold HD cameras. 1080p. I mean, seriously, look what you could slap.
You could fit anything in this bag. Charging cables, AV cables, a USB to RBG connector, a remote, silica gel pack, some keys, a pen, a cell phone, a tripod. A MacBook. A juice box. And most importantly, an HD camera.
Stability. The key to the Pearstone Onyx 1030 digital camera / camcorder shoulder bag. See this picture-in-picture shot? Nice, huh? Now watch as I put this camera, into the Pearstone Onyx 1030 shoulder bag. See? Wasn't that amazing? But wait! There's more! The bag even comes with a shoulder strap! But that's not even the best part. The best part is that we use these bags to hold the cameras that we use to shoot the commercial.
It's rendered, Hector! Oh my god, it's on fire!
The best part is that we use these bags to hold the cameras to something during the commercial.